Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites, an AMD processor and UEFI firmware, because Secure Boot depends on UEFI, legacy BIOS won't work. Once confirmed, backup firmware settings and your important files, you can recover if a setting blocks boot. Next, prepare a USB installer and any vendor or custom keys you plan to enroll, since Secure Boot uses signed keys to trust binaries. Now open Firmware Setup. You will switch to the Security or Boot menu to start enabling Secure Boot. You now enter the detailed steps. Set Secure Boot to custom mode if you need to enroll keys manually, otherwise choose Enabled for default vendor keys. Then manage keys. Clear or install the platform key (PK) first because it controls key updates. Next, install the key exchange key (KEK) to authorize updates and import the DB trusted signatures and DBX revoked signatures appropriately. Make sure to use signed key files from a trusted source. This prevents unauthorized boot components from running. Once done, save firmware settings and reboot. Confirm Secure Boot is active in UEFI status or the operating system's Secure Boot utility. If the system fails to boot, don't panic. Use your recovery USB to disable Secure Boot temporarily, then inspect which binary or driver was blocked. Make sure signatures match the enrolled DB and re-enroll missing vendor keys if necessary. Also check for firmware updates from the motherboard vendor. Updated firmware often resolves Secure Boot compatibility issues and prevents future boot blocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.